Hello traders, today is the 8th of November 2012 and the time in London is 14:23 p.m. In New York is 9:23 a.m. Happy trading to you all. The title of this video is Active Fractal Trading. Active Fractal Trading. Okay, in this video we will focus on 5 specific fractal trading strategy, and I'll invite traders to pay attention carefully to what we are going to say here. If you want to know more about fractal trading, you may go to Google and search for fractal trading. But in this video, we are talking about practical active fractal trading. Okay, we are looking on the daily chart of the New Zealand dollar US dollar currency pair. Okay, right here on the daily chart, we see here that the price run very fast on this daily chart, and then we have a double top on this daily chart, price pull back, and a display kind of a double bottom here. So you see price run very fast, and then we have a double top, price pull back, and then went up and come back down before going up again. This is on a daily chart. This pattern took place, as if you check the date here, from the 3rd of September 2012 up to now. So he has started on the 3rd of September 2012, and we had all this pattern up to now for the New Zealand dollar US dollar currency pair. Alright, when we are talking about a fractal pattern, we are talking a pattern that is replicating itself on various time frame. We are talking about technical trading, talking about active fractal trading. So we see the pattern. Pay attention carefully. Don't forget this pattern. Price run very fast, display double top, pull back. You see now what's happening from the 3rd of September. Let's go now to the hourly chart for the same New Zealand dollar US dollar currency pair. The same pattern, we have seen the same pattern. This time on the 1st of November, we have noticed that the price ran very fast. Remember on the daily chart what I've shown you. Pay attention to the turquoise line on this hourly chart. We are now on the hourly chart. We can see that on the 1st of November, pay attention to it wasn't the same date like on the daily chart. On the daily chart, the pattern was taking place on the 3rd of September. But now on the 1st of November 2012, we see that the price ran very fast and then display a double top on the hourly chart. Alright, the same pattern we have seen on the daily chart is copying itself and pasting itself on a different day on the hourly chart. Run very fast, display double top, pull back, display double bottom pattern before going up. Can you see? He ran very fast, display double top, pull back, display double bottom pattern, and went up. This is on the hourly chart. Alright, the same pattern we have seen on the daily chart has copied itself and pasted itself on the hourly chart. You see, he ran very fast on the daily chart. Now we are on the daily chart for the same New Zealand dollar US dollar currency pair. He ran very fast, display a double top on the daily chart, pull back, display a double bottom pattern, and went away. Now we have seen this was taking place from the 3rd of September 2012 up to today, and we have seen recently on the hourly chart the same pattern has copied itself here, right here. Alright, it's about active fractal trading. It ran very fast, display double top, pull back, display double bottom, and went up. When we see a fractal pattern, we do not just run and place a trade. This is about controlling ourselves and staying very focused. Alright, now I want to mention something very important here: the ability to trade, which comes with the practice, the experience. I received an email from a trader recently to ask me how long it will take a trader before the trader will start making money. Very often it can take a trader up to 4 years active trading, practicing, learning, avoiding the same mistake, before a trader can start, getting into the market, so to speak, So the ability to trade is one thing, with the experience, the time, the knowledge of trading, the ability to trade, the knowledge of trading. Now the trading plan. But before the trading plan, we must have the trading tools, the ability to trade, the knowledge of trading, the trading tool. One thing that traders are forgetting is the trading plan. After the trading plan, we must now practice. So we want to drill our plan as the military people, as the police. They will tell you the force is there, which is the soldiers, the ability. They have also another team that will go and do the spying work, which we call the knowledge. And then the tools, the guns, the weapons, okay? That's what we call the tools. So the ability, the knowledge, the tool, now the plan. The general, the colonel will draw the plan. Now we will drill the plan. Very often, a lot of traders are getting into trouble because they don't have a plan and they don't drill their plan. They don't practice the plan. Traders that are TSTW traders, this is a trading tool. The ability to trade, the knowledge, okay, plus the tool. Now the trading plan. The trading plan. And then the practice. After the practice, we have practiced our plan. We have drilled it, okay? Now we want to stay focused, all right? I don't want to go too far. So this is about active fractal trading, all right? So we have seen it now. I want to show you another example. Pay attention now to the same New Zealand dollar, okay? Currency pair, New Zealand dollar, US dollar currency pair. This time I'm going to the monthly chart. Pay attention. On this monthly chart, we have seen that the price display kind of ABCD chart pattern, ABCD chart pattern, not ABC, correct more, ABCD chart pattern. Here, it went up, it pulled back, and then went up again, okay? ABCD chart pattern. Now we have here, pay attention careful, this is a New Zealand dollar, US dollar currency pair. Right here, then we have this top, another top here. Talking about trading on the edge at www.stochasticmarket.com. We have a kind of is somewhere here, a trend line here, a bearish trend line here. Can you see? All right. This is what we call a commodity currency pair when we are talking about New Zealand dollar US dollar currency pair and the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. Both are commodity currency pair. Okay. I want to compare the New Zealand dollar currency pair, the New Zealand dollar US dollar currency pair to the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. Pay attention to this pattern. This pattern that was here on okay, positively correlated currency pair, talking about New Zealand dollar US dollar currency pair and Australian dollar US dollar currency pair. Pay attention to this pattern that we have seen on this okay, currency pair. We now switch into the Australian dollar currency pair. We can notice exactly the same pattern, okay, repeating itself. This time not on different time frame, on another, okay, positively correlated, okay, financial instrument, okay. So you can see here on the same time frame, Australian. Oh no, this is not what I want. Let's go back again. The Australian dollar, US dollar currency pair. Let's go back to this. Hold on a second, please. This is the one I'm looking for. On the monthly chart, you can see the price went up. Okay, let's see a bigger picture here. You see, it ran fast, pulled back, went up. A, B, C, D chart pattern. Now we see again, this is the Australian dollar. You see, almost identical to the New Zealand dollar, US dollar currency pair. But two positively correlated, okay, commodity currency pair, repeating the same pattern. This is a fractal pattern. A fractal pattern repeating itself on the same financial instrument, sometimes on two positively or more positively correlated, okay, financial instrument. You understand what I'm saying? All right, it's like okay, a child is looking like his grandfather, a father is looking at a grandfather, okay, is the father is looking at the grandfather, and the child also, the son also is looking at the father. So in the same family, I hope I make myself clear here, okay. So in the same family, so because the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair and the New Zealand dollar US dollar currency pair both are positively correlated currency pair, do not trade them at the same time. This is about risk control. I don't want to get into this kind of thing. Now, these two currency pairs are in the same family. We see the same pattern repeating itself again. This is a fractal pattern. A fractal pattern very often will repeat or duplicate or replicate itself in the same group or on the same financial instrument. I hope I made myself clear. I want to show you another example. This time I showed this example before to traders that are following us on our Facebook page, Stochastic MACD, that's www.stochasticmarket.com, www.facebook.com/stochasticmarket.com. You can see I was talking about okay, NI source. to traders, and I show this pattern to traders that are following us. Okay, this is on a monthly chart. We see this pattern, the V pattern, letter V for Victor. Price went down. You see, 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 up. It's a V pattern. Okay, all right. If you like, we can highlight it because I've shown this to traders already. I don't want to stay too long on it. This V pattern was happening, was taking place. Okay. So you see, from the 2007 up to now, we have this full V pattern, okay, on the monthly chart for NI Source, Epic November India, NI Source, okay, American company. And this was on the monthly chart recently, as I shown traders on our Facebook page, okay. We see the same pattern, right here it is, okay. Price went down, you see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 again, and then we have the same V pattern, okay, on the daily chart. This is on the daily chart, okay. And what I say to trader, when we see the V pattern, we'll use our Fibonacci retracement tool and highlight the 50% retracement level. The price now below the 50% retracement level. Now, okay, you can see it here, the 50% retracement level here. This is my line now. I'm going to color in a different color. Moment please, ladies and gentlemen, as I'm going through this, because I don't want the video to be too long. This is the blue line, is the 50%. The price went to the 50% from the support, went up. Now it dipped below it. You want to sell at a support level. You want the price to break below it and to retest it. This is the green candle here. That's the retest. And traders are selling. As the price going down, traders must pay attention to the first and nearest support level. One here, another one here, and a third one here, okay? A fractal pattern is a V pattern on a daily chart. We have seen that a bigger V pattern took place on the monthly chart, in fact, from 2007 up to now. But recently, on the daily chart, those who are fractal traders, okay, have noticed, okay, the same pattern repeating itself on the daily chart, and they took advantage of it, all right? Let's move on now. Another example, talking about active fractal trading. We don't want to jump into conclusion when we see a pattern or just trade like, okay, old-fashioned traders, so to speak. But we want to use the TSTW24 and the TSTWSYS008 at the hot spot trading zone. We do not trade for traders. All we do, we guide traders. And this is what we are doing here again, okay? Let's look at the pound, dollar currency pair. Moment please. The pound dollar currency pair. We are talking about, okay, another pattern here. This time we'll go first to the monthly chart for the pound dollar currency pair. If you pay attention, here is the pound dollar currency pair. We are now going to the monthly chart. We can see on this monthly chart the price went down. Pay attention carefully because this is about keeping eyes wide open without blinking. All right, I'm joking now. Down, okay, and then we have it went up and then displayed double top, a small double top, and went down and then went up again, you see. And then pay attention to this movement. Down, 1, 2, 3, down, 1, okay. Pay attention to the general image of the monthly chart. Now we are going to the, okay, daily chart, talking about fractal pattern. The same pattern recently, right here, this time, before I move back to the daily chart, I will go back to the monthly chart. You can see the bigger pattern was taking place since 2008, the bearish season, and then blah, 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 blah. But recently, the same pattern, okay, has copied itself and pasted itself on the daily chart of the pound dollar currency pair. This was in May, okay, right here, okay, May 2012. May 2012, you see here, where I'm placing my vertical line, prior roll it down. Can you see it? He roll it down. And then we have one move now, 1, 2, 3, you see? The top, the double top, the higher top, a lower top, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, you see? Price went down, went up, 1, 2, 3, down, you see? And then, you see? Let's go back again, pay attention, just pay attention to this, pay attention. If you like, I can color what I'm talking about here. Okay, use the pink one this time to please the lady. The down move, down. This on the daily chart, you see. Let's go back again to the monthly chart. The bigger pattern, you see, went down, okay, went up, down, a lower top, you see, went up, down, lower top, and then down before going up. You see, blah, blah, blah. Now, attention on this session mainly, okay? Price went down very fast, went up, now, you see here, lower top. Recently, on the daily chart, here it is, price went down, up, attention, what do you see? The same lower top here. Okay, it's a fractal pattern, down, blah, 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 you see? All right? It's a fractal pattern. When we see a fractal pattern taking place, we do not rush, we do not go before the price, we wait for the price to give us a clear-cut signal. If the signal has failed, we will close the trade, full stop. All right? This is about the pound-dollar, okay, currency pair. A fractal pattern has copied itself from the monthly chart to the daily chart. All right? Another example, ladies and gentlemen, is the Canadian dollar Japanese yen currency pair. Moment, please. And by the way, this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. This is primarily for the TSTW traders. This is the Canadian dollar yen currency pair, where I'm moving my cursor, you can see now. I'm going to go first on the yearly chart because I've done my drawing on this chart already. You can see it. The same pattern, similar pattern like the pound dollar currency pair. Can you notice that? Okay. Price went down very fast, went up. You see, there was a high here, bump. Then there was another high. So in fact, if you like, I want you to pay attention to the top of this. You see, there was a high here, a bit higher because the candle were a bit higher. A bit, you can call it equal. It's not the main point. You have a three top, okay, and then the price went down, it then went back. You see, this is on the Canadian yen currency pair on the monthly chart. Price went down, boom, 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 boom. All right, okay. Now on the monthly chart, fractal pattern, it's copy itself and repeat itself. This time on the daily chart again. Here again, recently, you can see that the bigger picture, which I'll show you on the monthly chart, took longer to take place from 2008, like, okay, talking about the same family, the pound-dollar currency pair, the Canadian yen, the pound-yen currency pair. These currency pairs very often, okay, are positively correlated. There are other things connected to that. It does not mean that they do exactly the same thing, but very often they try to repeat themselves. Okay, one currency pair may be ahead of another, or you may see the same currency pair, though they are positively correlated, trading in the opposite direction because of the hedging activity in the market. Okay, so here you see it went down 1, 2, 3 on a monthly chart. It took longer to be formed on this monthly chart. Now recently, very recently, we have noticed again here, around April 2012, price start going down up to June. Now again, you see, pay attention to the top that I drawn for you on the monthly chart. Here again, you see the tops. Here and again, you see the three top, 1, 2, 3. Okay, price run down 1. Okay, all right. You see now, and then the lower top here. All right, this is from the monthly chart we have seen recently. Though the monthly pattern took longer to be formed, the same pattern has duplicate or replicate itself, okay, or copied and pasted itself, so to speak. Okay, this is to make I'm speaking like this to allow traders to understand, okay, the fractal pattern. Okay, all right. So you can see the same pattern again, and you can see it went up 1, 2, 3, and then again on this monthly chart we have a lower top. Okay, you see here, price went down 1, 2, 3 top and a lower top on the monthly chart. The same pattern we have seen. Sometime there may be a bit of you see 1, 2, 3, and then we have again, okay, right here, okay, a lower top. Okay, it makes sense, and it is also powerful. Sometimes when we are talking like this, traders say, George, I love your video and I love what you have said, and I want you to do exactly the same thing. All right, it's very good. But what I will say to you is that when you are trading, or if you are a new trader, it takes time, okay, to become a mature trader. I don't know how long it will take for you, but generally speaking, it can take a trader up to 4 years. What we have seen recently in this market is that traders are rushing. I've done it myself before, and I say to traders, do not rush. Okay, I say very often, do not rush. what you have learned now is about fractal pattern. What are you going to do about it? Okay, you can practice. It means that you will make some mistakes, but when you make mistakes, okay, you can ask questions. That's the way we move forward. As I say to TST traders, when you have a losing trade or you find something that is difficult, send a chart in, we look at it, and we get back to you. A trader that has learned, we use this method of trading. So you learn it now, you see something similar, okay, don't rush into it, wait for a clear-cut signal, okay? So you know that on the yearly, on the monthly chart, the pattern was clear and neat, down, 1, 2, 3. You may notice, probably, you may let the pattern mature first. So you see, it went down, 1, 2, 3 here. So you may wait for, on the daily chart, as you see it forming, you may say, this looks similar to what was taking place on the monthly chart. So I may decide not to sell here, but to wait for the third one here, okay? So all I will do, I'm not going to rush into any conclusion. I'll just say, these patterns looks like what we have seen on the monthly chart. So with the first top and the second top, I have my trend line ready. I'm waiting for the third time. As I say to traders, the third time is mine. You see now? As it's rolling it down, I'm watching the pattern on the monthly chart in fact, it's like I'm cheating because the market is repeating itself all the time. It's a market stable, it's a market principle because there's nothing new in the market. We know that. There's nothing new. So, in fact, the market is just playing itself, and those who keep eyes wide open will make excellent trading decisions. So, as you see rolling it down on my daily chart, as it is on the monthly chart, I'm waiting for a lower top. I will not force it. I will not just get too excited, but I'll just keep my focus and remain calm. Okay, like a cat, I will remain calm. As the lower top is from here, I'm very conservative trader. I'll draw my lines and wait for a low risk entry point. All right, that's how I will trade. What we are doing here, we are just guiding TST traders, okay, so they can make excellent trading decision. There was a resistance here. The price forming a lower top at the same resistance level. I will be happy to take a sell signal here. All right. I hope you have enjoyed this video about active fractal trading that you will put into use, okay, to make excellent trading decision. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW SYS 008 traders. I'll speak to you soon.